Hello friends, welcome again. In today's video, I am going to talk about a tool which can be used in Kali Linux to discover vulnerability in the network or open ports and so on. And that is Zenmap. You guys must have heard about a tool called Nmap. Then what is Zenmap? Well, Zenmap is basically GUI based Nmap. You don't have to enter any fancy looking commands in the terminal. You can just select scan types and enter targets information in a user interface. It is complete GUI based tool. So without any further ado, let's begin. Before I start the video, let me tell you guys, this is for educational purpose only. Doing this sort of thing without proper permission is illegal. I am doing this over my own network where I have complete control. Alright, so you guys also do that. Alright, you also do this scanning technique on your own network. Do not perform this sort of scanning technique or finding vulnerability or open ports in others' network without permission. Just do it on your own network. Okay, so as I told you at the beginning of the video, Zenmap is basically in the form of GUI. Nmap in the form of GUI. This tool is very beginner friendly, which allows the users to use the tool in easiest way possible. You can even save your scan results for future purpose. This way you are able to gather information about the network you have exploited somehow. I have my previous video made on how to gain access in a certain network, specifically with the Wi-Fi, but unfortunately YouTube has taken down the video. My bad. Anyway, let's continue with the scanning. But before, if you guys are new to my channel, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, so in future if I upload video you will get notified. Okay fellas, let's begin. I have started my machine already. The latest version of the Kali does not come with Zenmap pre-installed, so why don't you guys do some research and try to install yourself? As an ethical hacker or pentester, you should be able to do some research as well. So why don't you guys give a try? And if any problem occurs, just comment down. Let's start Zenmap. You can either start the Zenmap from your terminal like this. Just type sudo Zenmap, or I'm gonna close the terminal. You can just click on show all application and search here for Zenmap. Remember guys, this is Gnome environment I'm using in my Kali machine, and if you don't know how to install Gnome environment in your Kali machine, click on the I button on your top right corner. Alright, now I'm gonna start the Zenmap application as the tool as a root, so I'm gonna click on this. So now the Zenmap has started. You can scan any IP you can reach, web server, PC or server. You can also put certain range inside a network if you are inside certain network. I will give you a brief introduction about the interface. Here in the target section you can put the target's IP. Maybe it's a network or of a website or anything. Here on the profile side you can select scan type. There are a lot of different types of scanning technique, and you can select anyone. Then here you can see the Nmap command in this box. So this is Nmap anyway, so you just put the target, you just select the scan type, and the Nmap command will pop up here. Now on this side of the screen, the found devices or host will appear here, and this side you will see the result of the scanning. Alright, there are several scanning techniques available in the Zenmap, from simple to advanced. These all are not techniques. Techniques are different in terms of they take time or they gather information. I cannot explain every technique here, so I will let you guys do some research again. Now the first one I'm going to talk about is the ping scan. Okay, the first thing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set my target here 192.168.1.1/20 24 followed by slash and 24. That means I'm gonna scan the network, my own network, and I'm gonna do the ping scan. I'm gonna select the ping scan from here, then I'm gonna click scan, and as you can see the Nmap command has been entered automatically. So you can maybe write it down also. Later when you learn Nmap, you will exactly follow this command to perform ping scan. Oh, oops, my bad. Ping scan. All right, now ping scan is most common and simple. It is just sending ping to every possible IP. It does not scan ports, all right, and some hosts won't respond to the ping even they are up. So let's try this one first, but before that let's confirm our IP. But yeah, it's already I know my IP, but yeah, you can confirm your IP from using command ifconfig, but that's okay. Now enter your target IP like this, select the ping scan from the list, then click on scan button. It will take some time to scan the network. Wait for the result. Now as you can see, now the only 2 devices has been found, and you can see the name of the vendor of the device, and you can see even the MAC address and the IP address. So let's try again. Maybe it will take some of the devices are not responding, so I'm gonna try it again. I'm just gonna simply scan again. Now the result has come, and there is another device has been found, a mobile phone, an Android mobile phone, which is Vivo mobile communication, and the MAC address of the device has been also found. All right, you know, some of the device may not respond quickly, so it will take some time. Now let's talk about another scan technique, which is called quick scan. Same IP range, just select the scan type to quick scan and go to scan, and it will gather more information about the devices. Now the result has been generated. Now when I use the ping scan, some of the device did not respond, but in the quick scan, as you can see, 1, 2 and 3 devices are available. Right, so the first one, let's talk about this one. So this is maybe this is a Dell laptop and the MAC address, and now there is a new information, which is open port. See, one open port is available on this device, and as you can see, here's another device with their MAC address, and if you go down you will see more devices and open ports also. So these are the things you can see with the quick scan. It will find the open ports also. Now let's take it more further using quick scan plus. Then click on scan. Now the quick scan plus takes the scanning technique one method further. It adds a little bit of version and operating system detection also. Here you can see the open port, but you cannot see the version of the open port. So let's go with the quick scan plus. It will be a little bit slower, but yeah, let's go. Now there's more information has been gathered with the quick scan plus. Now let's go from top and analyze our result. As you can see, the device from this IP 192.168.1.66. Now there is a lot more information. Now you can see there are total of 4 ports open, and the version of the ports also has been detected. So as you can see, the quick scan plus takes the scanning method one step ahead. And if you go down here, it will detect the operating system also. Microsoft Windows XP, 80% sure. XP Service Pack 3, XP Service Pack 3, Windows XP Service Pack 2, 85% sure. So that's the technique. And if you watch over here, you will see that the device 192.168.1.66 has an icon of Windows, and Quick Scan Plus also it is also able to detect what kind of device is using, what kind of device is the certain target. So this is the technique you can follow. There are a lot of other scanning techniques as well, but you will just find yourself some answers, you will do some research, and good to go. Now after gathering the information about certain target, even you can do something like this. You can just type 0.66. that means you can target this specific device, and you can just scan this one only. So if you are able to gather more information about the device, then if any ports are opened, and if you find any exploit against the open port or any vulnerability, then you may control the device. So this is how hackers do the work, dirty work. They try to find open ports in a certain network, within your network. Actually, if they will get inside your network, they will try to find the devices, open ports, and they will exploit it and misuse your information. Alright, so now if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and those who are new to my channel, do consider to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Also, don't forget to watch my previous videos. If you guys want to learn something particularly, please mention in the comment and help me to grow this channel. Alright.